Hello everyone, greetings. I'm Marishmita Chatterjee and today I'm going to talk about the importance of good dressing sense and grooming. Now there is a very long debate about the same. Some people think that dressing sense is important while others would feel it is all about what you have inside and never about how you look outside. Now, when we were growing up, we actually learned this from our elders that it is all about our skills and talents and nothing else. But now we are in a generation where packaging is really important. Be it a product or be it a service, we always look for the packaging. And it is not different when it comes to self-branding as well. If you want to brand yourself well, you need to have a good packaging. That means you should be properly groomed, you should have a good dressing sense and a good body language as well. In this context, let me talk to you about power dressing. Many of you know what power dressing is. Power dressing is all about tailored suit or tailored dresses, about wearing a suit or a blazer that would create an impression. Now, if you would want to create an impression in the mind of the others, not necessarily you only have to go through power dressing, but you should definitely give a lot of attention to your dressing sense and grooming. Because first of all, first impression often creates a huge difference. If someone does not like you at the first go, then he or she might not be interested to know more about your skills and would reject you at the first go. Secondly, if you are well dressed, it shows professionalism. It also shows that you give attention to details. That means you have thought about the particular occasion where you have gone for, whether it's an interview, a meeting, or a party per se. And based on that, you have dressed yourself. So that is definitely an added advantage. Thirdly, it also boosts your confidence. Believe it or not, when you stand in front of the mirror or your selfie camera and you look good, that gives an immense boost in your confidence. So if you want to also sound confident, you need to dress well. Use these tips and see how it is going to randomly change your personality for good. Thank you.